Sure would be nice for a spa day right about now.
Oh, let's go. Well, local business is setting the price of your massage by the weather forecast. Tori Dunham is live here in the studio with a great deal. Tori?
Yeah, it is a great deal. Here's how it works. You can go ahead and schedule your appointment now, but you're not going to know the cost until you walk in the front door because, believe it or not, it all depends on how cold it is outside.
All of our massage stores have special talents. They're medically trained.
At 11 Salon and Spa in Delray Beach, you set the price of your massage. Here's the catch. It all depends on what time you walk in the door.
Whatever the temperature is, that's how much your massage is going to cost.
Spa founder Nikki Oden got a chuckle over Floridians complaining about the cold weather here.
How can we be complaining when everybody up north has got snow?
But she decided to entertain it.
For this weather, to get all that dry skin off of you.
This deal is for a 50-minute relaxer massage, normally runs at $95. So you can see where the savings are if the temps say get to 70 at the highest.
A lot of our guests like to come hang out in the courtyard before and after their services.
And if you're feeling brave, you can choose the outdoor cabana massage option.
All right, so this deal is good until the close of business tomorrow. It's first come, first serve. And yeah, if you're brave, you can go out to one of the cabanas, but I don't think that sounds good.
You know, it would be good. What would it be like tomorrow morning?
30s.
35 bucks
windshield
to
like
get
20.
that hour-long massage.
There, I guess.
So you're saving like $70 then.
Yeah.
Maybe a nice warm foot bath.
Right? A little scrub, a little some lavender, some pineapple, one of those natural
You need to get to a spa more often.
Pineapple. You eat pineapple.
Yeah, but it's also good for your skin, as I'm told.
Thank you. Meteorologist and